What is a common failure for a furnace? If your heat has stopped working in Brooklyn Park, there are a few issues we see more than any others, and knowing these signs can help you catch a problem before it becomes a bigger repair. One of the most common failures is a bad igniter. Modern furnaces rely on electronic ignitors, and once they weaken, the furnace may struggle to start or stop running altogether. Thermostat problems are another frequent issue. If the thermostat is reading temperatures incorrectly or sending weak signals, the furnace will not turn on when it should. You may also have a tripped breaker caused by an overloaded circuit or a failing furnace component. While you can reset it once, repeated tripping needs a professional inspection. Restricted airflow is another major cause of furnace failure. A clogged filter can overheat the system, shut it down for safety, or create weak airflow throughout your home. A failing blower motor can cause humming, buzzing, or reduced airflow. Finally, a dirty flame sensor is incredibly common in Minnesota. When it gets coated in dust or corrosion, the furnace may ignite but then shut off immediately. Furnace failures happen more often during our cold Brooklyn Park winters because systems run harder and longer. Checking your filter monthly and scheduling a fall tune-up can prevent most of these issues before the first cold snap hits. If your furnace is failing to start, shutting off early, or blowing weak heat, call Vector Services. We will diagnose the problem quickly and get your home warm again with safe, reliable furnace repair.